Welcome student in third session from your textbook chapter number 1 chemical reaction and equations. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about chemical equation. In that two equation, balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. So today we are going to take this balancing of chemical equation. In last we studied that unbalanced. If equation are unbalanced, so how we have to make that balance? Okay, the process of making the number of different type of atoms equal on both the side means reactant and product, okay, of an equation is called balancing of equations. Clear this one? Okay, means the number of various types of atom. Look here, various types: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, okay, like that. In reactant must be equal to the number of same type of atoms in product, means carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, okay, same type of atom in product. Clear? So the chemical equation are balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass, means chemical equation are balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass in chemical reaction. What is the mean of this law? Means mass neither be created nor be destroyed, means आप ना तो मास को क्रिएट कर सकते हो और ना ही उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हो. क्लियर दिस वन? सो वी शुड नेवर चेंज द फार्मूला, मीन्स आप ये फार्मूला चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो. जस्ट लाइक CH4 दिस मेथड, ओके, वी शुड नेवर चेंज द फार्मूला ऑफ एन एलिमेंट और ए कंपाउंड. ओके, ना तो आप एलिमेंट का फार्मूला चेंज कर सकते हो ना ही उसका कंपाउंड का फार्मूला चेंज कर सकते हो. टू बैलेंस एन इक्वेशन, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू टू बैलेंस दैट केमिकल इक्वेशन? वी कैन ओनली मल्टीप्लाई a symbol or a formula by figures like 2, 3, 4. Clear? So here now we have to take some example. Okay, it will be more clear to understand this, how we have to balance that. So now here we are balancing this equation by heat and trial method. Look here, that CH4 methane plus O2 means oxygen, forward arrow, that CO2 carbon dioxide plus H2O. Clear? So when methane react to oxygen form the carbon dioxide and water. So first we have to check out the how many number of atoms are there. So first we take this number of carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms are there in reactant? 1. So write here 1. And here in product 1. So write here 1. Clear this one? Now next atom is what? Hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 4. So write here 4. And here in product there is 2. So write there 2. Clear? Now how many how many oxygen atoms are there? 2. So write there 2. Clear? And how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 and here 3. Now we have to check there. Carbon atoms in reactant 1, in product 1, in hydrogen in that reactant 4. So write there 4. And there is 2. So this is unbalanced. So that's why we have to circle that. And here number of oxygen atom 2 and there is 2 and this 3. So here is also unbalanced. Clear? So now we have to balance this. We know that means we can't change the formula. Only we can multiply the number of atoms. So first we have to multiply this. Means here we have to put 2. Okay, by putting 1, 2, 3 numbers, so we have to put that 2. 2 2s are 4. So here is what? 4 will come. So this hydrogen is balanced. Now next oxygen, here is 3 and here is 2. So now here is again that oxygen 2 and here is 4. So abhi unbalanced ho gaya oxygen. So here we have to take number this 2. Okay, multiply this oxygen atoms by 2, then there is also 4. Okay, so here is what? 4 is come and here is also 2 and this 2, 4. Clear? Here now we have to take more example to balancing the equation by heat and trial method. So look here, first that equation, iron, oxygen, aluminium in reactant, iron, aluminium and oxygen. Okay, so first write the number of iron atom means that ferrous in reactant 2, so write here 2, in that product 1, so write here 1. How many oxygen atom are there? Oxygen 3, so write here 3, in product 3, so write here 3. Aluminium only 1, so write here 1, and in product 2, so write here 2. Now check which are unbalanced. This ferrous unbalanced, oxygen are balanced and aluminium is unbalanced. So first we have to balance this. Clear? That is aluminium. Clear? So how many aluminium are there? So 2 here. So we have to put here 2. Okay, to balancing the aluminium. Now aluminium is balanced. Clear? Now next one is what? Ferrous. Okay. Here is 2 in reactant but in product only 1. So put here 2 to balance the ferrous. So here is now 2. Clear? Now check again. Ferrous 2 in reactant and product is also 2. In that oxygen 3. 1, 2, 3. So here is 3. And product 3. Check the aluminium 2. So write here 2. Here 2. So write here 2. So after this balancing, these are the number of atom in both the side, in reactant also, in product. So this balance now balancing equation. Okay. Now next, take another example, ferrous. Okay, and that hydrogen, oxygen, and here is also ferrous, oxygen and hydrogen. So put here that number of ferrous atom 1. So write here 1. And here 3. So write here 3. And hydrogen atoms are reactant 2. And in that product 2. How many oxygen atom are there in reactant? 1. So write here 1. In product 4 oxygen atoms are there. So put here 4. So look here. Ferrous unbalanced, hydrogen are balanced, oxygen is unbalanced. So we have to first balance this. Means if for that convenient we have to take the maximum number of atoms are present in that unbalancing compound formula in that. So we first take the oxygen. Okay. So look here, oxygen is 1 in what? Reactant. So simply we have to write there 4. Okay, because we can't add, means we can't change the element number of atom. Only we can multiply the atoms of that reaction. Okay, so here is 4 oxygen atom. So write here 4. Clear? But for balancing that oxygen, so unbalanced what? Hydrogen unbalanced हो गया. पहले तो वो बैलेंस था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है, ये 4 इंडिकेटिंग दिस हाइड्रोजन ऑल्सो एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन ऑल्सो. सो 4 2 जा 8. अब यहाँ पे कितना हो गया हाइड्रोजन? 8 हो गया. एंड इन प्रोडक्ट ओनली 2. सो सिंपली वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2 बाय 4. सो वी विल गेट द न्यू हाइड्रोजन एटम नंबर हियर 4 2 जा 8 and here is also 4 2 जा 8. Clear? Now take the ferrous. Look here, here is 3 ferrous in product, but in reactant only 1. So put here 3 to balance this ferrous. So now new number of atom is 3. Now check the number after balancing. Ferrous 3. So write here 3. In that product 3. So write here 3. hydrogen, 4 2s are 8. So right here 8, here 4 2s are 8 in product, 4 2s are 8. Oxygen 4, so right here 4, and in product 4, so right here 4. Now check that ferrous 3 in reactant, in product, hydrogen 8 in both sides equal, oxygen is also equal. So this equation is what? Balanced chemical equation. Now to make equation more informative, okay, मीन्स इक्वेशन को मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको उसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको पता चले तो इसके लिए 3 वे है. बाय इंडिकेटिंग द फिजिकल स्टेट ऑन बोथ साइड, इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, इन रिएक्टेंट एंड इन प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो. सो देयर इज 4 फिजिकल स्टेट, S for solid, L for liquid, and AQ for aqueous solution, and G for gaseous. Okay, and these two another symbol, that is upward arrow means indicating that gas is releasing, and this downward arrow plus that PPT is also mentioned there, so that precipitate will form. Okay, that's why. Now second, by indicating the heat changes. Heat changes means there is heat will change, means heat absorb भी हो सकती है या फिर generate भी हो सकती है. So taking place in the reaction by writing plus heat और प्लस एनर्जी. मीन्स आप कैसे उसको शो करोगे? मीन्स अगर रिएक्टेंट में हीट एब्सॉर्ब हो रही है तो उसको रिएक्टेंट में आपको जब रिएक्शन हो रही है तब हीट अगर एब्सॉर्ब हो रही है, यूज हो रही है हीट, तो आप उसको प्लस हीट इन रिएक्टेंट साइड उसको मेंशन करोगे. अगर हीट जनरेट हो रही है आफ्टर रिएक्शन, सो देयर इज ऑल्सो राइट प्लस एनर्जी और हीट इन राइट हैंड साइड, मीन्स इन प्रोडक्ट. Third, by indicating the condition under which the reaction takes place. Oh sorry. So condition means what? जैसे आपने देखा होगा कोई सी भी रिएक्शन में अपवर्ड और डाउनवर्ड जो फॉरवर्ड एरो है उसमें डाउनवर्ड और अपवर्ड कुछ मेंशन होता है. जैसे this triangle, this delta, that is the heat changes. Okay, some catalyst also there. This catalyst are not taking part in reaction, but it helps to complete the reaction, to enhance the reaction. So that's why we should to mention there means which catalysts are using, and this we have to write upward or downward of arrow in between the reactant and product. Okay, now this temperature, pressure, these are also we can mention there in between that reactant and product arrow. Okay, so look here. Example for that, calcium hydroxide. These are aqueous solutions. So we mention here AQ plus carbon dioxide. This is gas. So write here G. Clear? Now this forward arrow in between this reactant and product. So calcium carbonate. This is solid form. So we mention here S. In this reaction, precipitate is also formed, so that's why we write here downside precipitate. और जो precipitate form हो रहा है उसके ही नीचे आपको precipitate को mention करना है. Clear? So that calcium carbonate, that precipitate will form, so that's why we have to write under the calcium carbonate PPT. Clear? Plus H2O water, this is liquid, so that's why we written here L. Clear this one? Okay, now next. C means carbon solid form, so write here S. Oxygen gas form, so write here G. Forward arrow, that carbon dioxide gas will form, so write here G. For that producting means that carbon react to oxygen, carbon dioxide gas will form, plus heat is also generate, so write here plus heat. Okay, generate अगर होती है means अगर liberated होती है, generate होती है, तो वो आपको राइट हैंड साइड में लिखना है, मीन्स इन प्रोडक्ट साइड. क्लियर? अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेकेंड कंडीशन. क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड, 6 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो ये गैस है इसलिए वहां पे G मेंशन किया है, प्लस 6 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर. ये जो 6 में जो रीड कर रही हूं ये मॉलिक्यूल को इंडिकेट करता है. 6 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज L, under the condition of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, look here, under the condition means there is a third So sunlight, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, this reaction takes place. Okay. So C6H12O6, this is one molecule of glucose will form. Okay, by reacting this carbon dioxide, hydrogen, that water under the condition of sunlight and chlorophyll. So that aqueous solution of that glucose will form. C6H12O6, this is the formula of glucose, plus 6O2 means 6 molecule of oxygen is formed, and that upward arrow indicating that gas is releasing. कौन सी गैस? ऑक्सीजन. आपको ये पता है कौन सी रिएक्शन है? फोटोसिंथेसिस. So in this photosynthesis, plants prepare their food and oxygen gas is released. Now revision. What we know that today balancing of chemical equation, for that balancing the process of making the number of different types of atom equal on both the side in equation is called the balancing equation, and this we can done by the heat and trial method. So chemical equation are balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Means mass neither be created nor be destroyed. ना तो आपको mass को create कर सकते हैं ना destroy कर सकते हैं in the chemical reaction. For this we have to take a more example. Okay, so that methane react to the oxygen, then carbon dioxide and water will form. For this, पहले जब ये reaction कैसी थी? Unbalanced थी, तो आपने उसको balance किया. Now you know very well how we have to balance, and that to make equation more informative by three way, by indicating the physical state on both the side, in reactant also, in product also. S for solid, L for liquid, AQ for aqueous solution, G for gaseous, and that upward arrow indicating that gas is releasing, downward arrow plus PPT that precipitate will form. Second, by indicating the heat changes taking place in reaction, means अगर जनरेट हो रही है तो प्लस हीट इन दैट प्रोडक्ट, और अगर एब्सॉर्ब हो रही है प्लस हीट इन द रिएक्टेंट. And third, by indicating the condition under which the reaction takes place, means that temperature, okay, changing temperature under the pressure of that also, and that catalyst for enhancing the reaction, complete the reaction, we have to mention there. CaOH2 means calcium hydroxide, aqueous solution, and plus carbon dioxide gas will form. Okay, after this reaction, calcium carbonate plus precipitate is also formed. Of that calcium carbonate is precipitate and water will form. Second, carbon react to the oxygen, carbon dioxide plus heat generate. Third, 6 molecule of carbon dioxide react to 6 molecule of water under the condition of that sunlight and chlorophyll. Then 1 molecule of glucose will form, C6H12O6 in aqueous solution, plus 6 molecule of oxygen will also form by indicating this upward arrow. Clear? Thank you.